Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to discussing about conditional statements in C. In this PPT, we are having introduction of conditional statements, if condition statement, if else condition. What is conditional statements? Conditional statements are used to execute a set of statements on some condition. It provides a unit of block in which we can either one statement or more than one statements. If the given condition is true, then the set of statements are executed. Otherwise, the body will be skipped. First one is if condition. This is called as simple if. It is called as conditional statement, which is used to execute a set of statement on some conditions. The condition must be of a Boolean type expression. That means true or false. An expression which returns only two values, that means either true or false, is known as Boolean type expression. Syntax for if condition is if of condition, within the braces statement block, out of the brace statement X. In the above syntax, if is a keyword, condition is a relational expression or logical expression or any other expression that returns either true or false. The condition should be enclosed within the parenthesis. The statement block can be a simple statement or compound statement or a null statement. And statement X is any valid C statement. The flow of control using simple if statement is determined as follows. Whenever simple if statement is encountered, first the condition is tested. It returns either true or false. If the condition is false, the control transfer directly to the statement X without considering the statement block. If the condition is true, the control enters into the statement block. After printing that statement block, then it goes to the statement X. This is the flowchart for simple if statement. Here, condition. If the condition is true, then it goes to statement block. Then after executing the statement block, it goes to statement X. Statement X is any valid C statement. If the condition is false, it goes directly to the statement X block. It cannot enter into the statement block. This is the flowchart for simple if. Here is the example for simple if statement. Here the program is person retired or not. I can take age greater than or equal to 55, then the person is retired. What are the considerations for calculating the person retired or not? Age. Here I can take int age, printf enter age, scanf. I can read values by using scanf statement. I can take the age value as 57. If age greater than or equal to 55, that means 57 greater than or equal to 55. Condition true. Then printf person is retired. So the output is person is retired. This is the simple example for simple if statement. Next, if else statement. If else statement is used to make a decision based on two choices. Whenever if else statement is encountered, first the condition is tested. It returns either true or false. If the condition is true, the control enters into the true block statement. Once the end of the true statement block is reached, the control transferred to statement X without considering the else body. If the condition is false, the control enters into the false statement block by skipping the true statement block. Once the end of the false statement block is reached, the control transferred to statement X. This is the syntax for if else statement. If of condition. If the condition is true, then it goes to true statement block. If the condition is false, then directly goes to the else part, that means false statement block. After completing the true statement block, either true statement block or false statement block, then it comes to the statement X. What is statement X? Statement X is any valid C statement. This is the syntax for if-else statement. In the above syntax, if and else are keywords. Condition is a relational expression or logical expression or any expressions that returns either true or false. The condition should be enclosed within the parentheses. The true statement block and false statement block are simple statements or compound statements or null statements. Statement X is any valid C statement. Here is the flowchart for if-else statement. If of condition. So if the condition is true, then it goes to true statement block. Then after executing the true statement block, it comes to the statement X. If the condition is false, then it goes to false statement block. And then executing the false statement block, then it comes to the statement X. This is the flowchart for if-else statement. Here is the example for if-else statement. Here, in the above example, we can consider only if true statement. That means only simple if. No else part is there. But in this example, we can consider two conditions, either true condition or false condition. Here I can take age as 47. By using scanf, we can read the values. So I can read 47 as age. 47 greater than or equal to 55. If the condition is true, then it goes to true statement block. But I can take 47 greater than or equal to 55, condition false. Then it goes to false statement block, that is else part. Here printf person is not retired. So in this program, the output is person is not retired. In this consideration, we have to check either true block or false block. Here the condition is true, then it goes to true block. For example, I can take the age as 60. 60 greater than or equal to 55, condition true, then it goes to true statement block. But in my example, I can take 47 as age. So 47 greater than or equal to 55, condition false, then it goes to false statement block and execute the false statement block and then comes out of the loop. This is the example for if-else statement. Now, try to do it yourself now. Here is the example. Write a C program to check whether the given number is even or odd using if-else statement. You have to try. Thank you very much.